karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my Hamilton khaki navy scuba watch. So guys, while I'm taking it out, I would like to tell you the MRP of this watch is 460 Omani Riyals, and I paid about 198 Omani Riyals for it. I got it in clearance price. Okay, so guys, now let us take it out and let us have a first look of this watch. So guys, here it is. So guys, this watch is made of fully stainless steel. Okay, as you can see, and the case size of this watch is about 43 mm. Okay, and guys, the dial color of this watch is white, and the dial is very clear and easily you can read it. So this watch, it comes with unidirectional bezel, and the bezel is also ceramic coated. Okay, so this watch, it has 80 hours power reserve. It is a mechanical watch, it is automatic, which comes with 80-hour power reserve. So guys, in this watch you do not have any date. Okay, and you can see the time markings. We also have the normal time markings, plus we also have this military time on it. And guys, this watch, it offers 300 meters water resistance, and it comes with 2 years international warranty. And guys, the glass of this watch is anti-reflective sapphire crystal. You can see there is a nil reflection on the glass. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much in this. Okay, so before we end this video, here you can see the actual price, 460 Omani Riyals. Before we end this video, I will wear it on my wrist so that you can have an idea how it looks on the wrist. So we will remove this tag. Okay, so I'll take off my watch which I'm wearing. So if you have seen my last unboxing video, so this is the watch which I unboxed. That is my Luminox Beer Gills. And here is my Hamilton khaki navy scuba watch. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks on the wrist. So guys, I do not have very big hands, but still the 43 mm watch case looks pretty good on my wrist. So guys, that's all for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more unboxing videos, watch reviews, and all kind of stuff. So all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.